Hi everyone, I'm Surveyor David, and today, I'll show you how to use free satellite tools to detect floods in any part of the world, especially Nigeria. We'll be using Google Earth Engine and Sentinel Hub, two powerful platforms used by professionals, and even students, to analyze satellite imagery. Let's start with Google Earth Engine, or G. It's a cloud-based platform that allows you to analyze satellite imagery using code. Visit https://earthengine.google.com. Click Sign Up. You'll need a Google account. Fill out the form as a researcher, student, or public user. Approval usually takes a few hours to a day. Once approved, you'll be able to use the Earth Engine code editor to analyze floods, vegetation, land use, and more, right from your browser. Now, if you want a platform that doesn't need coding, Sentinel Hub EO browser is your best friend. On Google search, type Sentinel Hub. In the next video, I'll take you a step further. I'll show you how to download satellite images using Google Earth Engine, but this time, we're doing it the Python way, right inside Google Colab. Whether you're working on flood mapping, land cover, or environmental change, you'll learn how to get real satellite data, fast and free. So don't miss it. Turn on notifications. We're not just talking remote sensing, we're doing it with code. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Let's grow together. If you've learned something powerful today, don't keep it to yourself. Let's train more flood mappers in Nigeria and beyond. Like, follow, and share to keep this mission going. Remote sensing is the future, and the future starts now.